Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we live, work, and communicate. One of the most exciting applications of AI is text-to-speech technology. With just a few clicks, any written text can be converted into a natural human-like voice.
What if I told you this picture could talk?
Pretty cool, right?
In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to make any still image come alive and talk, even if you're a complete beginner. This is AI Canvas Studio, and I make simple tutorials to help you create amazing content with easy tools. Today, we'll cover 4 areas in this tutorial. The first is to prepare and choose your image. The second is to use free AI tools to animate the mouth and gestures. Third is how to sync the voice so it looks natural, and fourth is to remove watermark with AI tool, which is absolutely free. Let's jump right in. The first step is to generate a voiceover, that is, what you want your image to say, and for that we will use a free AI tool called LaVoice. You go to your Chrome browser, type in LaVoice, then click on it to sign up with your Google account. As a new user, LaVoice offers free credits, which are enough to generate 4 to 5 voiceovers. After signing up with your Gmail account, you then go ahead to type in what you want your avatar or image to say in the text box. After that, you can proceed to select your language, and for that, I will be choosing English. Then move forward to choose a voice. There are several voices. Choose the one that suits your taste. After this process, click Generate. Wait for a few seconds. While waiting, you can preview the audio by clicking the play button to listen to it.
Any written text can be converted into a natural human-like voice. This means that books, articles, and even websites can be read aloud for people on the go.
If you are satisfied with the result, proceed to click the download button to download the audio directly to your device. The next step is to generate an image. You can use any image of your choice, like your personal image, but in this tutorial, I will use ChatGPT to generate image prompts. Go to ChatGPT, generate image prompts by typing in your idea, and ChatGPT will then tweak this idea to generate a full-fledged prompt to generate an image. I will just type in, write a full-fledged prompt to generate the realistic image of a lady in her 20s in a podcast presentation, with her face looking directly at the camera. Make the studio more modern with enough lighting and a mini banner at her back with an inscription, AI Canvas Studio. I will leave this prompt in the description box below, so it will be a guide to you when generating images. Make sure the image is looking directly to the front so you can get a better result when animating. ChatGPT has generated the image prompts. Just copy these prompts and paste them directly into Leonardo AI. As a new user, you sign up with your Google account. The amazing thing about Leonardo AI is that it is absolutely free. It offers 150 daily credits to all users, which is enough to generate your desired image. At the top left corner, you switch between video generation and image generation. To generate images, you go for image generation. Go ahead to choose the aspect ratio in the settings button, then by the side, select a preset. For this tutorial, I will be using Phoenix 1.0. To select a style, I'll use dynamic, which is best for this creation. In the text box, I will paste in the copied prompt from ChatGPT and click the Generate button by the side. Wait for a few minutes. It generates 4 images per prompt. You can also choose how many images to generate per prompt, but that is available only for paid users. After generation, it gives 4 different choices for a prompt. Use the one that suits your taste, then download or save it to your device. The next step is to animate the image. We'll use Dreamface. Open the Dreamface app or website. In this tutorial, I am using the Dreamface app. As a new user, you sign up with your Google account. There are 3 boxes that appear on the app interface: avatar, talk, or song, image to video, and video generation. By the way, this app is also completely free to an extent. You can generate up to 10 videos per day. If you would like to generate more than 10 videos, you can just log out of the app and sign up with a new Google account. To generate a talking image, click on the Avatar Talk or Sing section, then upload an image. For this tutorial, I will upload the image from Leonardo AI. Dreamface has its own avatars, and you can decide to use one if it suits your taste. Now it's time to give your image a voice. Dreamface has a text-to-speech section where you can type in your words and choose a voice, or use AI text-to-speech if you prefer. Simply upload the audio we got from LoveVoice by clicking on the Import section. The Import section is divided into two, from albums or from files. You click on From Files to upload the audio, then set a duration, which is 30 seconds maximum for free users. Preview the audio selections so you can make adjustments if there are mistakes. Then click Animate. Wait for a few minutes, and the tool will sync the lip movements automatically. Then save it to your device. Repeat this process if your audio is longer than 30 seconds. At the front of the video from Dreamface, there is a watermark, and to remove the watermark, we will use a free AI tool called Magic Eraser. Magic Eraser is a photo and video watermark remover. Go to your browser and search Magic Eraser. No sign-up needed. At the interface, click on the horizontal lines at the top right corner of the page. For video generation, click on Video Tools, then click on Video Watermark Remover. Click Try It Now, then upload the video from your device. Move the button to increase the brush size, then use the plus icon to shade the watermark area. Then click Remove Now and wait for a few minutes.
Boom.
It has removed the watermark. Click Download at the top right corner of the page to download it to your device. Repeat the process for the remaining videos. After animation and watermark removal, you then join the clips using CapCut or InShot to get the full video. For this tutorial, I'll use InShot. I select the various clips and arrange it accordingly. Transitions can be added to make the video unique. Then you can proceed to export after playing the video repeatedly to confirm there are no mistakes.
Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we live, work, and communicate. One of the most exciting...
And that's it. 3 simple steps. Prepare your image, animate it with AI, and sync the voice. Now you can make any still photo talk, perfect for tutorials, storytelling, or fun projects. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.